I think I messed up my breakfast routine. Time to fix it with chickpeas. For the next 30 days, we're making chickpeas our breakfast hero. Why chickpeas, you ask? These little legumes are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. First up, weight management. Chickpeas keep you full and satisfied, helping with weight loss or maintenance. Next, blood sugar control. With a low glycemic index, chickpeas prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes, giving you stable energy all morning. Heart health? Check. The soluble fiber in chickpeas can lower cholesterol levels and reduce heart disease risk. Plus, they're great for digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and a healthy gut. And let's not forget brain power. Choline in chickpeas boosts cognitive function. Plus, they're a nutrient powerhouse packed with iron, folate, magnesium, and potassium. So, are you in for the 30-day chickpea breakfast challenge? Join us and watch your mornings and health transform.